In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a recipient's role before sending in DocuSign. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This is the quickest way to begin creating a new sending workflow. Once you're in, choose Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is the package that contains your document, recipients, and signing settings. So this is where the role change will happen before anything gets sent out. Next, select Get Signatures. This option is used when you want to send a document out for signing or for another type of recipient action. After that, upload the document you want to send. Make sure you choose the correct file at this stage, since everything else in the envelope will be based on that document. Now add the recipient by entering their name and email address. Be careful here and double check the information for accuracy, because the role you assign will control what that person can do with the envelope. Once the recipient has been added, find the person whose role you want to change and open the recipient role dropdown. This menu lets you adjust how that person will interact with the document before the envelope is sent. From there, select the new role you want to assign. For example, you might change the person to needs to sign if they need to complete signature fields, or receives a copy if they only need a final copy and don't need to take action. Depending on your account and workflow, you may also see other available roles. After choosing the new role, take a moment to review the recipient and confirm that the update is correct. This is important because recipient roles affect both permissions and the overall routing of the document. When everything looks right, click Next to move to the document preparation screen. This is where DocuSign lets you continue setting up the envelope based on the recipients and roles you've selected. Before sending, review the entire envelope carefully. Make sure the recipient role is correct, the document is the right one, and the rest of your document settings match what you intend. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent mistakes and avoid having to void and resend the envelope later. Finally, click Send to send the envelope with the updated recipient role. Once it's sent, your recipient will receive the document according to the role you assigned. Thanks for watching.